it's Miss Amelia at the Columbus Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make crayon butterflies with this week's Take and Make. So you can stop by the Columbus or Saluda Library to pick up a Take and Make kit that has 2 butterflies, some parchment paper, a pencil sharpener, and 3 crayons. All right, don't forget that this week is the last week to turn in your summer learning bookmarks, and we'll be doing our grand prize drawings next week. All right, let's get started. So I have all of my materials laid out, and I've put some extra yellow paper down just in case this gets a little messy. And I'm gonna start with one of my butterflies. So the colors that were in my kit were purple, like a dark purple, a light purple, and a pink. So my favorite way to make my butterfly is I'm going to start with the dark purple at the top, the lighter purple in the middle, and the pink at the bottom. That way it kind of fades into each other. So I've taken my crayon and I've started sharpening it just like I would a pencil. And I've got these crayon shavings that come out. And I'm just putting them right where the butterfly is. I've got enough on this side, so now I'm going to put some on this side too. I just remembered I'm going to cut this out with a pair of scissors at the very end. So then your crayon gets really sharp too. So if that's the case and your crayon gets as sharp as it's going to get, you can break the tip off of it and toss it in the trash can and keep sharpening to get more crayon shavings. And I'm going to sprinkle all over the top there. And it doesn't matter if it's not right inside of the lines. You want most of the shavings to be inside the lines. But if they're a little bit outside of the lines, that's okay too. Some more on this side. And then my next color, I'm going to use a light purple for my next one. So you can see that I've left about half of my crayon, and that one you can use on your second butterfly that's in your packet if you want. All right, so here's my light purple. Put that next. And my iron, I went ahead and I plugged it in before I started this video, but if you're using an iron at home, make sure that an adult is with you and that they know that the iron is turned on too, because you'll want to use their help just to be safe. Here's some more light purple for this side, and it looks like I have some crayon that's stuck in my pencil sharpener, but that's okay. Let's see if I can get it out of here with this other crayon. Might be able to. There we go. So if your crayon gets stuck in there, that's okay. You can kind of knock it out with another crayon and then keep sharpening your crayons until you get enough color there. Okay, I'm going to scoop my light purple up to the middle. Keep adding just a little bit more, and then my last color is going to be a light pink. So when I iron this together, my butterfly will have wings that start off dark purple and end up pink, which will be really pretty, I think. Okay. I'm just going to rake off the extra shavings on there. So again, there's about half of that crayon left for my next one. And then my last color is this bright pink color. And here we go. If your crayon breaks off into a little chunk like that, you'll want to just toss that piece away because when it irons out, it'll give you a really big piece of that color in that area, and you don't want that. Okay, so let's see what's going on with my pencil sharpener here. All right, this one, I think I'm gonna have to get a pen and push out the end because I did get some crayons stuck in there. But hang on just a second, guys, and I'll be right back. All right, friends, I am back and I fixed my pencil sharpener. I just got part of the crayon stuck in it, but that's okay. And I'm putting pink on as my last color. There we go. This is the biggest part of my butterfly, so my pink may take up a little bit more room, but you can spread the shavings out and it'll cover a lot of ground once it's melted together. Lots of colored pencil shavings, not colored pencils, these are crayons. And I think we're just about done. So final things that you want to look for before you start ironing. So I'm going to brush all of my color into the lines. And I just want the majority of it there. If all of it doesn't go in, that's okay. I'm brushing it all in. And I've got my paper here underneath just in case my color runs a little bit. I'm going to put my parchment paper on top. I'm going to go this way with it. Okay, now this is the part that you'll want an adult to help you with because it is using an iron. And my iron is very hot, I can feel it. And I'm going to sit it right on top. And you can see through the parchment paper where the color is starting to melt, which is really cool. You just press down on it just a little bit. You don't even have to slide it back and forth. You just press it down and the color is going to melt. And it's a good thing I put this yellow paper here because some of the crayon has already come off on the yellow paper. All right. All right, there we go. I'm going to set the iron to the side. I'm going to go ahead and pull off the parchment paper. And then I'm going to let this dry. When it's all dry, I'm going to cut it out and then I can hang it in my window or anywhere up in my house where I need a little pop of color. Have fun, guys.